I really need to get my student soon this Hari Raya, but I'm worried all tailors are too busy with clothes to take my job. I think I can sew it myself, but I have no sewing machine. Should I buy it? But I know I should spend the money. But I really want my certain to look perfect for this Hari Raya. But what if I didn't use it very often? Will it be worth the investment? No, it's better to buy one. I can always use it for another project in the future. And it's not like I can get a rental sewing machine this close to Hari Raya. Well, I guess I'll just cross the bridge while I'm at it.
The next day.
Excuse me.
Kindly welcome to our store. I can help you.
So I'm interested in the sewing machine I saw in the pamphlet. It's on sale, right?
Yes. What kind of sewing machine are you looking for?
So I think I need a sewing machine that can sew through heavy fabric, including heavy fabric such as ink. And I need to be for my upcoming project for Hari Raya.
Oh, I see. We have a new sewing machine that we can wait for station. I'll be right back.
12 seconds later.
Here is the good option, and the sewing machine is the one of the best seller from our store.
Oh, great!
This sewing machine is easy to use and has a variety of features, the threader and the free arm for sewing circular items. It can also sew through a variety of fabrics, including heavy fabrics like cotton.
So this sewing machine can handle thick fabric.
Yes, these sewing machines are better at handling thick fabric than others. It has features that make it well suited for sewing thick fabrics, such as a powerful motor and heavy duty needle.
What stitches does this sewing machine have?
The number of stitches on a sewing machine is very depending on the model. As for this one, it has a variety of basic stitch such as straight, zigzag and buttonhole stitch.
What type of thread should I use for a certain fabric?
The type of thread you use will depend on the fabric you are sewing with. For example, you should use cotton thread for cotton fabric and polyester thread for polyester fabric. It depends on your cotton fabric.
That sounds perfect. Can I see?
Sure.
It looks great. How much is it?
It's normally 300 ringgit, but we're having a promotion right now, so it's only 200 ringgit. This machine also has a warranty for about 2 years, and in case it's damaged, you can always come back within those time.
That's a great deal. I'll take it.
Great, I'll just ring you up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for your purchase. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Me too.
Eventually.
It's time to try this thing. Why is it not working? I don't understand. I've tried everything, but it seems like nothing works. Should I search it? If your sewing machine is not stitching properly, there are a few things you can do to troubleshoot the problem. Let's try to troubleshoot it. I can't believe this. I just bought this, but it's already broken. I think I should go to the shop again. I really need to go there again.
One day later.
Excuse me. I'm here to complain about this sewing machine that I bought from your shop yesterday. It's not working properly.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what's the problem with the machine?
I'm so frustrated. I just bought this new sewing machine and it's not stitching properly at all. I've tried everything I can think of, but nothing seems to work.
I'm sorry to hear that you're having trouble with your sewing machine. Can you tell me more about the specific problem with your experience?
Well, for starters, the stitches are just all over the place. They are not straight or even, and they look really messy. And sometimes, the machine just keeps stitched all together, which leaves big gaps in my seams. The needle keeps breaking and the thread keeps getting tangled. I've tried to troubleshoot the problem myself, but I can't seem to fix it.
I understand. Have you tried reading the manual?
Yes, I read the manual and I followed all of the instructions carefully, but the machine is still not working properly.
I see. It sounds like there could be a few different things causing the problem. Let's troubleshoot them one by one again.
Okay, great.
First, let's check the threading. Make sure the thread is properly threaded through all the guidance and tension discs.
I've already checked that and it looks right to me.
Okay, next let's check the needle. Make sure the needle is the correct size and type for the fabric you're sewing, and make sure it's not bent or damaged.
I'm using the right needle and it doesn't look damaged.
Okay, next let's check the tension. Make sure the upper and lower straight tensions are set correctly. The tension should be tight enough to hold the stitches together, but not so tight that the machine is pulling on the fabric.
I have adjusted the tension a few times, but it doesn't seem to make any difference.
It sounds like there could be a more serious problem. I would recommend taking it to the qualified technician for repair. Well, since your machine is under warranty, we can repair it for free. Would you like us to do that?
Yes, please.
Okay, great. We can either repair the machine here in the shop or send it to our authorized representative. Which would you prefer?
I'm in a hurry, so I prefer to have it repaired in the shop.
Okay, no problem. We can usually repair sewing machine within a few days. We'll call you as soon as it's ready.
Tomorrow for sure.
Hello. Hi Miss. This is Shafinda from DUE Enterprise. Your sewing machine is ready for pickup. Okay. Yes, your sewing machine.
Alright, thank you for repairing it so quickly.
You're welcome. We always happy to help our customers.
I'm glad I buy my sewing machine from your shop. You have an excellent customer service.
Thank you for your kind words. We're always happy to hear our customer service from the
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.